Ngithe start imoto wena. Hayi khula lisho lishi.
If you haven't watched the previous video, here's a quick recap. So we're doing an engine overhaul. So far, we've stripped the car and we're still dealing with it. Continue watching. If you want to watch the old video, just make sure that you click on the link below. Come on, Pricey, come back, my guy. Yo.
Huh?
I'm waiting for you.
Aye, it's coming out. It's out.
Rico, if I get stuck, maybe coming back from Rustenburg, but I'm gonna call you, bro.
You're gonna call me, why?
Bro,
It depends how you drive. It's not
I'm
me.
driving nice, and Rico, I don't pass even 120, bro. Like I'm driving nicely, bro. I'm like, come on.
Yeah, so take it easy. You won't stuck. Why are you thinking of stacking now?
No, I'm saying if I get stuck, bro, I'm gonna Rico, let me send you man for petrol, bro. I'm stranded, bro.
Golf is like that, bro. Golf is like that. You get stuck anytime. There's many people that I know, even the engines are redone.
But still, there's something else.
There's something. It's like that, bro.
To overseas like Boma, Durban, Mozambique, Mpumalanga with the golf, bro. And mind you, it's a whole family in the car. There's me there. I'm young as a whatever.
Yeah, you can't say that. Bro.
Yeah, but yeah.
Yeah, I'm blessed.
Okay, I'm trying to think of what's happening there. Okay, so yeah, he used to take us from here to that side, but no issues.
No issues at all.
At all, blah. The golf, what you call doors, they didn't open. They didn't open from outside. All of them, and besides the driver door.
And you had to make a plan.
But the guy took us from here to Durban. No issues, no nothing, bro.
Same golf like this, Golf 1.
Same golf, same color even.
Yeah, these cars, if they maintain properly.
Yeah.
Do you think we can get the trims there?
What is out? The carburetor is out. Also the aircon and the alternator is out. So now we stripping the tires, both of them, yeah. Stripping the tires, both of them. Yeah. Guys, whoever invented these useless, I don't know what to mean. These are not even jacks for me, to be honest. These are just useless. So now we're still removing the tires. Yeah, guys, it's work. Whenever you have to stand, have that thought in your mind that you're gonna struggle with the jacks and stuff, especially when you have some issues under your car. But manje, isi notch whenever uva aesthetic is not the one, eh? Show timer. Nani. No, hey, ungilungisela imoto la. Yeah.
Hey, this guy is
Sure. Yona i-golf leya. Yeah, icava ngithi. Yeah. Zinye ezine-oil yabo. Yeah.
Uncle Ifa.
So you check the front, even here. Whatever. Stands on. Stands support. You're gonna feel the pain like me, guys. I'm saying to you, that I didn't clean, no. Yeah. Yo, masimba la. Lento lefanele iphume le. Ndo tiyanyanyisa ka. Ngathi manje uvanga amapaniki. Yeah. Hi. And my guy. Hopefully the outside here is tunas. Hopefully Devon does the things here. You see, bro. Yo. I can't be driving school shoes, bro. Come on. Yeah, but things ngizokuthinta as I told you there on the comments, bro. And I'll call you, bro.
See, some people have tools. I don't have all those fancy tools.
That are old school.
Yeah, me, I'm old school, Baba. Turn the engine towards the Jetta. Alright. Yeah, manual labor, bruh. Okay, you can remove it. Your socket. Yo, the sump already. You already hit something with it, bruh.
Yeah, there's
bad.
what you call? There's a mechanic that did that.
Did what?
Oh, on the bottom left, ne?
In the center and here on the left, bruh.
Yeah,
So maybe your car won't read proper oil readings, bruh.
But I can sort it.
You need to get the other sump. Just get another one. Yes. Oh, the oil is so bad here, bruh. Ne? Look at the sump, bruh. See here.
There's oil there, bruh.
Today,
Yo, it's like you're putting gasoline or something here, bruh. You know, when it's winter and you put Vaseline in the morning,
and then there's dust.
there's dust. What happens? Okay, we have another problem here.
Another problem.
Is the water thing there?
Water pump. This one. Ish. Are you still shooting?
Yeah, I am, but I'm just gonna explain everything because of this part is a bit strenuous.
Change engine. Suspension.
Water pump pulley only go, not what you call water pump.
Wow, only the pulley. Okay.
Yeah, water pump still needs to come off. But that will do when the engine is out.
Okay.
We can do it daytime or now also. It doesn't matter.
Jesus. Tempered cover.
Crank seal, cam seal.
Wow.
All of these things, it's a complete gasket set. When we buy a gasket set, we're gonna get this, that, valve stem seals, head gasket,
Yeah.
all the gaskets, even those gaskets that come here, we're gonna get all of that complete.
The capacitor connect with the exhaust.
All those gaskets, everything.
So now tempered cover is off. Also,
Exhaust down.
but it's not really okay. Exhaust down there. It's not really down, but yeah. There, it's this. Yo. Yeah, ne? Okay, but it is what it is. Also,
Where's
tempered
my
cover.
Van Diesel. Call that
Gasket
Van Diesel.
here
That's
is
Spanner.
off
Van
also.
Diesel Spanner. Where is he?
So yeah, guys, I'm tired. We're gonna continue. I don't know, in a couple of days. Yeah, and I'm sure you're gonna be tired, ne?
Yeah, I am.
Aish, bro.
This is just why am I doing it this way? It's just to show Norman how
Yeah,
components work in the engine. Normally this is not how I do it.
yeah.
This is just I'm just showing him, explaining him what is what here.
Okay.
That's the point for this video.
Simple. That's an
Okay. I get you,
Need
bro.
my extension bar, Brian? Short one. Short extension, not long one.
I think it's
Or regardless, we have to take the thing to engineering.
Your problem is here. Here's your problem. All the screws and oil, my mother's gonna shout. But yeah, it's showing me that oil.
There shouldn't be oil there.
Besides the oil, you see how these ones, they smooth, yeah? They're not that smooth, but
Yeah.
so it's piston number 1.
Yeah.
So it could be your valve stem seals that are gone, but we have to change the rings anyway.
So you still have to take this out, né?
Yeah, those the engineer is gonna take out.
Okay.
So this is gonna be done by the engineering.
Okay.
I don't know if they're gonna skim the head. I don't think there is need to skim the head.
Yeah. Everything looks intact.
Yeah, but I think they are gonna skim it. But okay, sharp. Okay, the main focus is here. My problem is here.
Okay.
Your headset is on the floor, huh?
Yeah. So let me put them aside there in the plastic because I might step on them. There's a whole lot of things here.
Do you know what's going on now? You remember the stage?
Yeah.
Do you remember the stage by that van?
Yeah.
We're at that stage now. The ridges are not bad. The ridges are not bad at all. There's no ridge.
Wait, when you say they're not bad, are you saying like they're okay? They are usable?
Yeah, we can still use the block, but the ridge, yo, it's better than that van. It's better than that van, bro. Far better.
So if there's a ridge, how do you see? Like it's gonna be like
How's
here?
it? Sharp, man. You see a ridge like your discs,
Yeah,
your brake disc. You feel that bump.
Yeah.
Yeah, if it has a big bump here,
Yeah.
the ridges.
So normally there's a bumper. It shouldn't be big.
Yeah, there's normally a bump there, but it's not bad at all, bro. Not bad. But the pistons are playing. They shouldn't play so much.
Yeah.
See, number one piston is playing a lot.
Yeah.
See there? This one isn't that bad.
Yeah.
Number two, I don't know what the hell is happening here, but it looks like here is blocked. Your water port is blocked. Okay, let me. Number one is a slight ridge. Yeah, and number four.
So 1 and 4, they are playing too much.
Yeah, check there. Number three.
It should be like this.
Yeah, number 3 is fine. Number 2 also has a ridge, but you can see
Yeah.
it's burning oil. So me, I'm thinking valve stem seals here. It's fucked. It's finished there.
Yeah.
Now that we're doing this, I don't think we're even gonna use the engine here. Yeah.
At all.
I don't think we're gonna use the engine. It's just to clean the block.
Mm.
Remove the pistons. But the engine here, definitely there, bro. Definitely.
Engineer.
Definitely.
Okay.
Definitely.
So since the the pistons are playing here, what can we do? Or it's gonna be something too much in terms of like money wise?
Money wise, you're gonna pay. It's either gonna re-sleeve or buy bigger pistons. So money wise, you'll spend, bro. So me, I'm just gonna do the rings here for you, rings and bearings.
But the car is still gonna smoke, ne?
No, your smoking comes from there.
Yeah.
The problem is there. The worst problem is there. That's your problem.
Oh yeah.
But just in case, we're just fixing it.
Yeah.
Just so we know that the engine is fresh.
Yeah.
Yeah, for now, I can't do anything now here because
Yeah.
it's dark and it's late.
Yeah.
But the head is off. Next, we're gonna take the suspension out, gearbox out. Once the gearbox is out, engine quickly, maybe most 20 minutes or less.
Just to put the things in there,
Ah,
in the engine, yeah.
Just to take it out, to take the block out from here.
Yeah.
And then obviously I need to now take out the pistons. They're coming out.
Yeah.
They're coming out, and then definitely we're gonna buy a new oil pump.
Yeah,
Brand
yeah,
new
yeah.
oil pump. And the oil pump is 800 rand. An oil pump.
Wow.
Gasket set you probably pay 800 rand as well. Yeah, engineering, I don't know. Because they're the ones that can see.
Then those spare parts also, these ones,
Like
the pipes and whatever.
The pipes, your gasket set, your bearings. We're gonna buy new plugs, obviously.
Yeah,
Oil filter,
Yeah.
fuel filter, carburetor filter, the air filter. We don't know how the clutch is looking, but now we're concentrating on the engine. You have to remember.
Yeah.
So let's finish the engine.
Yeah.
When I take the gearbox off, that's how we're gonna see your clutch. And then if your clutch is still fine,
Yeah.
shouldn't be a problem. When you're taking off in gear 1, does this car go?
No, it just
Smooth.
goes. Yeah,
It
smooth.
goes smooth.
Yeah.
Nice and smooth.
Yeah.
Reverse, put reverse. Go.
No. Sometimes I think after that guy, the mechanic. Sometimes when I put reverse, it does like it doesn't go in immediately.
Engage,
Yeah.
so you have to play and then
Sometimes it's gonna do that sound as if like I'm missing gears.
yes.
Yeah. Then I have to put it on neutral and try to put it there.
Okay, there is links. There's something to do with links. Those things here.
So meaning that guy, whole mechanic, done a fucked up. Whatever. Let me not shout.
Nah, he didn't do a bad job, no.
Yeah,
But it's just the links.
The links. Okay. It's something that we can.
set. It needs to be set.
Okay.
It's just that one there. And then obviously your service does your service kit.
Yeah.
We'll just see, bruh. We'll just go along the way, but I'm giving you more or less a price. It won't be accurate. It will be maybe 100 rand more, 100 rand less.
Yeah.
Don't stress. As long as you got your budget, it's fine.
Guys, I'm not sure if you can see me, but as you heard, so we're looking at like with parts like plus minus 3,000 on parts. Then the labor is something else. But yeah, I'll see you on another video. Thank you. So guys, just make sure that you like and subscribe, and we're gonna continue on the next time. So next time when you see me upload, we'll be putting parts in the car, or rather cleaning the parts that we have to reuse. Also some parts they need to go to engineering also. And what else? Yeah, re-engineering, and also we have some new parts that we have to buy. Then yeah, definitely just like and subscribe and stay tuned. I'll be uploading I think next week or so. Dango.